Right, back on the Caterpillar this afternoon, and managed to get the head down. Thanks to Neil for giving me a hand with the loading the head and the rubber seal there. It was not so easy actually as the older type seals with a metal plate sandwiching the two rubber plates, because it's so flexible. What I did is I used some contact adhesive in patches on the back, on the donkey engine side, to keep it in and hold its shape. Greased up the edge side of the seal, and she went on pretty well actually. So at the present time I'm torquing the head down. I blew out the oil cooler and radiator and give it a bit of a spray. So next thing is to rebuild the head, put the mag on and time it on all the bits and pieces to go back on. Probably be doing that on Sunday. Refitted the arm. See, that's far better now, that. Just right, that's the arm I repaired yesterday. So that's connected back up. So it's just a matter of sort of fitting all the bits and pieces and joints for the radiator and torquing the head down. Just going to do the final torque now of all the head nuts, and that'll be my lot for the day. Then you can see all that's the crap that come out of the radiator and oil cooler. Hell of a lot really. So I'm just going to finish off here now, talking down the head, and she'll pack up then for the rest of the day and hopefully come out tomorrow and start doing rocket gear, head joints and all the bits and pieces of the magneto, manifold and all the rest of the pipe work. So yeah, that's it. It's you see how I showed in the previous video how tight. See how tight that seal is in there. So by putting grease on there and easing it down, it needs two of you. I've done this in the past with just me, but it's much easier with two. It's far easier because you've got to keep an eye on that seal. So the rebuild begins on this one. So next week I should be asking about the starter motor on the 951, and hopefully the weekend after I might get a run out of the 951. At the same time we get a run out of this one. So you can see she's far better now, the oil cooler. I'm going to tidy all this front end up here, just down there, clean it all up, and she should look a bit more presentable. It's nice to get this old girl running, because it's the second machine that I bought. So I'll carry on now, finishing off pulling down the right sequence of the head, and I start wrapping my gear up because I got lots of my stuff out today. But the contact adhesive on the donkey end of that seal worked well, because I tried Ilamar and Ilamar wouldn't hold it. It's quite a warm day and it kept jumping out. The last thing you want is to get it coming out as you lower the head down and destroying the seal, because seal's expensive. So that plan worked. So till next time.